Today we will be having the Bank of Canada rate statement, which will be out today at 6 p.m. Dubai time, 2 p.m. GMT time. And yes, my friends, it's true. Right now, the time in Dubai is 5:38 a.m. in the morning, and it's not really the best time to be trading Forex at all. That's why I decided let's now make the midweek analysis video. Now let's check the pairs, my friends, and let's start with the EURUSD. The EURUSD signal, as we can see right now, is not really working well. So far it's running just like, I think, 7 or 8 pips below the entry point, and I believe that the EURUSD is no longer valid for the buy after seeing this price action has appeared right here on the daily chart. The candle has actually created right here what seems like a bearish reversal, and right now all we can expect from the EURUSD is to continue the fall, and actually I think it's going to continue the fall till it reaches the lowest level of the support at 1.15410. Let's take a look at this on the 4-hour time frame. So right now on the 4-hour time frame, we can see that the market has created right here what seems like a triple top, and it seems to me that this resistance right here at 1.16105, which was supposed to be our good entry for the buy, has now been changed after seeing this strong bearish breakout candle, and the market has already retested the level here. Indicates that most likely the market right now is heading its way to create the resistance number 2, because right here we had a resistance number 1, which means that resistance has already been respected right here. So all we can do right now is to continue the sell, and let's expect from the market to reach at least the lowest level of the support. So that being said, this signal, I believe we have to switch it right now from the buy to the sell. And of course, my friends, this is normal. This is what happens actually when the market doesn't go in the way we predict. We have to go along with it and fix our trades. So therefore, let me tell you something. Actually, I need to adjust the level. We have to start shorting the pair exactly right from this peak of the resistance at 1.16235. The reason is the market has actually created right here at the peak of the resistance number 1, and right here we can see that this was the lowest level of the support at exactly 1.16235, which means the market is going to definitely continue the rise till it reaches this level of the resistance. It has a potential to continue the rise till it reaches the last defense line of the resistance exactly right here, which is going to be a little bit before the edge of the safe zone. Therefore, this sell order should be placed exactly right here at 1.16235, and the safe zone should be ranging above that resistance exactly right here, which means the safe zone will be ranging for only 50 pips. Actually, it should be less than that, exactly like this. So the safe zone will be ranging for 45 pips only. And let me just write for you the new take profit level, which is going to be held exactly right here at the lowest level of the support. Let me just write the numbers for you. So here goes the signal for you, my friends. The target will be about 93 pips at the lowest level of the support at 1.15284, and the safe zone will be ranging for 46 pips just till the peak of that resistance at the edge of 1.16697. Let's now check the pound USD. Now the pound USD, as we can see, my friends, has actually resumed the rising, or actually has rose all the way till it reached already the take profit level without actually triggering our buy level, which means that this signal no more valid for the buy because the market has already reached the target, the take profit level. So now our best chances here is to actually continue the short. Now let me tell you something. The market has created right here what seems like a fake breakout from that level of the resistance at 1.37927. Now of course, it's very well known that once we see a fake breakout happens right here, usually the normal behavior of the market that it's going to continue the fall, or actually continue to its direction against the direction of the breakout candles. So once you see a breakout candle, you should be sure that 90% of the time the market is actually going in the opposite direction of the fake breakout candle. So we're having right here a bullish fake breakout candle, which means we can expect from the pound USD to be bearish right now. So now it's a matter of where exactly we can start buying selling the asset or the pair. Now if we look at this resistance right here, this was the nearest one to the fake breakout candle. And if we check the history, we can see that this was actually a strong key resistance level, which has become later on a strong key support level as well. The level of 1.37927 is not a level to be ignored, and most likely the market is going to respect this level. Let's check the Fibonacci retracement for this level, and I believe, yes, it's gonna be 50 or 61.8. It's gonna be in the middle, so therefore I believe strongly after 20 pips we can start shorting the pair, and the target, my friends, will be right here. Exactly, let me just make sure. Exactly right here. Why right here? Because the market has actually created right here a support trend line just like that. And if we will be shorting the pound USD exactly from this level, it's going to be actually retesting the broken support trend line, and actually the market is going to continue the fall all the way till it reaches the key support level at 1.35715. However, our target will be the nearest strong key support level, which is going to be here exactly. This support level has already been respected right here, and the market has created a support number 1. Therefore, the target will be right here after selling the pound USD at this level of the resistance. The target will be right here at the attempt of support number 2, which means we can expect to make approximately 113 pips profit from this signal. Meanwhile, the safe zone should be ranging just till above the peak of the resistance at 1.38285, which means the safe zone should be ranging for about 56 pips only. Let me just now write the numbers for you. There goes your signal for the pound USD. Hopefully it's going to be a good signal, and hopefully everyone will make good profit out of it. Let's now take a look at the AUDUSD, which has already started reversing for about 6 pips. I mean, I was going to send the signal to start shorting it right away, but it's okay. What happened. Let me now delete the previous signal of the buy, since as we can see, the AUDUSD has actually reached the take profit level, but sadly it hasn't triggered our buy order, which is sad. But the direction was correct, and for that I'm actually satisfied, to be honest. So let me now just go to the daily chart so we can see exactly what's waiting for us with the AUDUSD. Now, as you can see, my friends, this level of the strong key support level, as I mentioned earlier in the last weekly analysis video, the strongest key support level as 0.75285, that level again can't be ignored. And it seems to me that the AUDUSD is actually respecting this level of a strong key support level. As you can see right here, also the market has created what seems like a resistance number 1, because that level has actually been broken out from with this bearish breakout candle. And right now the market, as I told you, my friends, in the last week analysis video, the market right now is on the creation of the second attempt of the resistance. So all we can actually expect right now from the market is to continue the fall all the way, and the target eventually is going to be right here, the strong support level at 0.73150. I think, if I'm not mistaken, we can expect right here from the market to continue the fall till it reaches that level of a support, and right here we are having already a double bottom pattern, and by that we can expect from the market to continue the rise after reaching that level of the support. Eventually the AUDUSD is going to reach this level, if I'm not mistaken. Hopefully I'm not. But until then, we will be maintaining a sell order. That's why I'm giving you the signal that we can start shorting the AUDUSD right away. And the target, my friends, will be right here at the lowest level, or sorry, the nearest level of the previous resistance at 0.74377. The market eventually is going toward this level of the resistance to retest it, and after that we will see what we can do. Also, the same level was a strong key support level, which definitely means the market is going to either respect this level or retesting it. Either way, it's going definitely to reach this level before the market either continue the rise or continue the fall toward the support level right here. All what matters for us is to short the AUDUSD right here and get out with a good profit at this level of a support. Hopefully it's going to be a good analysis, and hopefully it won't fail me. So let me now please write the numbers for you. So here is the signal for you for the AUDUSD. Let me just show you the other edge of this safe zone, which is going to be ranging exactly at the zone of that previous support zone right here, which actually has been also a strong key resistance zone as well. I don't expect from the AUDUSD to be able to break out from that level, hence the signal is going to be the short right here, and the safe zone should be ranging for about 47 pips only. Meanwhile, the target will be 90 pips. Hopefully, it's going to be a good signal, and hopefully everyone will make good profits out of it. USDCAD. Actually, there is not much to be said about the USDCAD. The signal has already been triggered. It's working fantastically. Great. It's actually working fantastic, and it's going in the profit. I think it was a very good and accurate signal, and so far it runs in 60 pips of profit, and it's very close to reach the take profit level after just 37 pips. Nothing to be said about the signal of the USDCAD. To be honest, I just made a long analysis on it, and I really don't think we can decide anything for the USDCAD until it reaches that previous level of a support. After that, we can see what will gonna happen. I might actually make a deal of the day video for this pair after we confirm what's gonna happen after it reaches that level of its previous support. But until then, those who have opened the buy order for the USDCAD, please maintain your orders, keep it running, and hopefully everything is going well, and we will end up in a very good profit. USDJPY. Sadly, the USDJPY signal has actually failed, as we can see. However, the pair is actually right now reversing at the other edge of the safe zone, but sadly it has already exceeded it, so therefore I don't think many of you have kept the trade running. I hope some of you have kept it running, because right now it seems to me that the USDJPY has actually started the reversal pattern right now. As you can see, my friends, the pair has reversed exactly at 61.8. If you remember, you can re-watch that video which I have released last Saturday on 25th of October. I said clearly that if the USDJPY is going to break out from 61.8, it's no longer an uptrend. It's now it's no longer a downtrend. It's gonna be uptrend. The breakout from 61.8 Fibonacci retracement means the breakout from the whole, or actually it means the break from the whole trend direction. I mean, breaking out from the 61.8 Fibonacci retracement means if there is any downtrend, if it's no longer a downtrend and now the market has changed to be a bullish trend or an upper trend, it changes the whole direction of the trend. It confirms that the direction of the trend has been changed, and therefore I don't see the pair has actually been able to break out from 61.8. Therefore, I believe most likely that the USDJPY signal can be maintained to be the same, almost the same. However, let's hope that now it's gonna be in profit. So actually, we can start shorting the USDJPY right now. Let me tell you that we can actually sell again now for the USDJPY. I'm not insisting on it to be in profit. I'm not insisting that it has to continue the fall. However, I believe that the pair, after failing to break out from 61.8, after making 3 failed attempts, most likely is going to continue the fall. Therefore, if anyone wants to recover, I believe it's now the good time to recover by sell again the USDJPY, and really hope this time is going to work very well and bring us a lot of profits. Let's now check the USDCHF. By the way, if you noticed, I'm actually pausing the video after finishing with each and every pair. The reason is I'm taking my breath. Since my infection with the COVID-19, I have a problem talking for a long time until now. After actually more than 3 months of the infection, still I'm suffering to continue talking for a long time. That's why I'm actually pausing the recording and then resume talking. And I think I will resume, and I think I need to pause again. Hold on. All right, I'm back. Anyway, let me just show you what we can do with the USDCHF for this week. Actually, the pair has actually shown a very strong bullish momentum so far, but sadly it hasn't reached our buy level as well, which is sad. I mean, most of the signal have actually went in the right direction, but sadly haven't triggered the buy level, except of course for the USDCAD. Anyway, let's see now what we can do with the USDCHF. Right now the pair has shown a respect for that long-term resistance on 0.92274, and for me right now it seems like the USDCHF has to actually continue the fall and reaches again the lowest level of the support as 0.91375. Let me just go to the 4-hour time frame. So I think this has already been Fibonacci level 50, or between 50 on 61.8. Let's see. I think it's going to be okay. No, it's actually exactly 61.8, which is great, fantastic. The peak of the resistance is exactly at Fibonacci 61.8, and this long wick right here indicates a strength in the level. It shows actually that the market has how can I say this politely, has actually massively failed from breaking out from 61.8, and it shows a strength in the level of the resistance. Now, upon the pressure that we're having at the support on 0.9184, I think that the pair right now is going to make another pullback, and again tries to, for one last time, to break from 61.8 Fibonacci retracement. I believe this is going to be a good level for the short. We can start shorting the USDCHF right here and hoping for a good profit actually right here at the lowest level of the support, but I honestly doubt that this is going to happen within only 3 days left in the market for this week. I believe this signal can be held for the next week, because actually the market is about 113 pips far away from our level of the target. 111 pips. Anyway, I'm giving you the signal that we can start selling the USDCHF exactly from Fibonacci 50 this time, because I really doubt that the market is going to be ever able to reach 61.8 again, and most likely we can start shorting the pair exactly after it rises for another 16 pips, which is going to be a perfect level for the short again. Not to mention, of course, that we're having right here a very strong bearish trend and downtrend, of course, and therefore we can expect from the market to reach this level of the resistance trend line, and then it's gonna continue the fall. That's why I really doubt that the market is ever gonna be able to reach 61.80 again. So let me just now write for you the numbers. There goes your signal for the USDCHF. Is going to be almost like a scalping signal, because the safe zone will be ranging only inside the resistance zone right here, as we can see, my friends, and that's gonna be for about 28 pips only, if I'm not mistaken. Okay, 30 pips exactly. Meanwhile, the take profit level is going to be 61 pips far away. I believe it's a more realistic signal, and I believe it's going to be a good one, and hopefully everyone will make a good profit out of it. Let's now take a look at the gold. The gold, however, has actually started the rise again, and it was a bullish one as I expected, but however it has reversed exactly at the peak of the resistance at 1809, I believe, right? Yeah, 25 October. So therefore the market has actually shown a strong bearish reversal as well. Therefore I really doubt that the gold is going to be good for the buy anymore. So we have right now to change the analysis, because this bearish breakout candle has actually changed the whole game, or actually changed my opinion about the gold. If I'm not mistaken right now, my friends, the gold should be good for the short this time. And I really hope the gold won't screw me up this time again. I'm tired of the gold. It has been actually failing for more than a month, I admit it. But however, everyone knows how the gold right now is so crazy and hard to be predicted. Anyway, let me just show you that. 1 second, my friends, hold on. So I have already wrote for you the numbers where we can start shorting the gold. I honestly don't have the energy to explain deeply about this pair, but however, we're having right here the strong key resistance level. As we can see, my friends, that level won't simply be ignored. As we can see, we're having here a very strong key resistance zone, which the market has actually been failed. The market have actually failed to break out from this level since September. So therefore, I really don't think that the gold is going to be able to break out from that level anytime soon. Right now we are having here this strong bearish breakout candle, and right now upon the pressure from that previous resistance level right here, I think the market is going to make another pullback, and selling at 1798.68 is going to be ideal. Hopefully it's going to respect this signal, and hopefully it's going to respect this resistance as well, and hopefully it's also going to give us a lot of profits. It's important to remember that actually the gold right here is rising actually above respecting this resistance support trend line. But however, if we look at the daily chart, we are actually in general moving in a strong bearish trend line like that. So the bigger picture for the gold is actually for the bearish, especially on the daily chart. We can see that these two candles has appeared. These two candles can be considered as a fake breakout. Usually when they appear together like that, it usually indicates a bearish reversal. Check it here. We have here similar price action has appeared as well, and we can confirm that the market has actually resumed the fall after the appearance of these two candles. We're having something here similar as well, and right here as well. And if I'm not mistaken, I'm just trying to find something. I mean, I'm trying to find something to rely on to show you the history that actually these two candles, the twin candles, when they appear, most likely they are actually indicates a bearish, the reversal in the opposite direction. We can see something similar right here, and I believe, if I'm not mistaken, right here actually we can see another two candles. However, the market has actually been going in the opposite direction after the appearance of these two candles. Therefore, right now on the daily chart, I even doubt if the gold is ever going to reach our sell level. I think it's going to continue the fall all the way till it actually breaks out from that support trend line and continue the fall all the way. I think on the long run, the target is going to be 1727 again. But however, until then, we will be maintaining a sell order, and hopefully it will be a good one. So therefore, let's better wait for the gold to continue the rise again till it reaches the perfect level for the sell, which is going to be after exactly 98 pips at 1798.68, and that level, I think, my friends, is gonna be a perfect one for shorting the pair again. There goes your signal for the remaining days of this week. I want to remind everyone about the news which is going to be up today for the Bank of Canada. Most likely this news can affect the direction of the market, especially for the CAD pairs. Please pay attention, my friends. Don't ignore this news. Put your alarm, put your notifications that the market actually might change at this time. So put the alarm so you will be notified earlier, so you can either close the trade or actually prepare for the news. So therefore, it can actually affect the direction of the USDCAD signal which I have given. So in the end, I hope that was informative to you, and I would like to thank you for watching.